Every product page these days wants the same thing, a 3D object you can grab, spin, and zoom into. It looks like a lot of code. It is not. We will build one in Three.js with TypeScript in about 80 lines. Here is what we are building. A ceramic mug and saucer the viewer can drag to spin and scroll to zoom. No model downloaded, no library beyond 3. Just primitives, a light, a shadow, and OrbitControls. The plan is 4 parts. A renderer with shadows turned on, a couple of lights, and a ground plane to catch them. The product itself, built from a cylinder, and half a torus, and OrbitControls, which is the whole demo in 4 lines. Same TypeScript scaffold as before. npm create Vite vanilla TS template. Install and add 3. That is the only library we need. Open index.html. A full-screen canvas with the module script. Vite handles the rest. Now main.ts. Grab the canvas, build a renderer, and, crucially, turn shadow maps on. Lights. A bright key directional that casts the shadow, plus a soft ambient that fills the dark side so the handle is still visible when the mug spins. A big ground plane goes under the mug. The receiveShadow flag is the part everyone forgets, and without it, no shadow shows up. Materials. Standard material for the ceramic. A darker, rougher one for the coffee inside. The mug itself, a wide flat saucer, the body as an open-topped cylinder, and a smaller cylinder inside for the coffee. The handle is half a torus, the last argument of TorusGeometry. Rotate it on its side, push it to the right of the mug. Add the group to the scene. Now the product is one thing we can move or rotate. And here is OrbitControls. Pass it the camera and the canvas. Point it at the mug. Enable damping for that smooth glide. And clamp the zoom range. Standard resize handler, and a render loop. Update the controls each frame, render, request the next. npm run dev, and the viewer is live. And that is a 3D product viewer, 80 lines, no model needed. Swap the geometries for a chair, a controller, a watch. The lights, the camera, and the controls do not change. 3 things to take away. First, OrbitControls is the demo. 1 import and 4 lines gives you drag to rotate and scroll to zoom. Second, real shadows need 3 flags on 3 different objects. The light casts, the meshes cast, the ground receives. Miss one and nothing shows up. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more browser builds. Drop a comment with what product you would model next, and share it with someone learning to code.